Have you ever pondered the existence of a world parallel to ours? An alternate reality where a different version of you might exist? This is the intriguing concept of alternate realities, a theory that has piqued the intrigue of not only scientists and philosophers, but also the general public. This concept isn't as far-fetched as it might initially seem. In fact, it's rooted in the idea that there could be infinite realities, each one slightly or even vastly different from our own. These realities could be shaped by a multitude of factors, from the decisions we make to the natural laws that govern them. They might be worlds where you took a different path, made different choices, or led a different life. They could even be places where the laws of physics don't function as we know them. Imagine for a moment a reality where you made different choices, led a different life, or even a reality where the laws of physics don't apply as we know them. The concept of alternate realities isn't just a figment of our imagination, it is based on scientific theories and philosophical concepts. Let's delve into some of these theories and concepts that support the idea of alternate realities. First up is the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics. This theory suggests that every decision we make, every action we take, creates a split in the universe. Imagine standing at a crossroads, deciding whether to go left or right. In one universe you go left, in another you go right. Each decision creates a new, alternate reality. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? Next, let's consider string theory. This theory posits that the fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't particles, but rather tiny, vibrating strings of energy. Now, this theory gets a little more complicated when it introduces the concept of parallel universes. These universes exist alongside ours, within these strings of energy. Each string, each universe, each reality, vibrating in harmony yet distinct. But it's not just science that grapples with the concept of alternate realities. Philosophy too has its interpretations. Take modal realism, for instance. This concept, developed by philosopher David Lewis, posits that all possible worlds are just as real as our own. Every world that could possibly exist does exist in some form or another. It's a concept that takes the idea of possibility and gives it a whole new dimension. These theories and concepts, while complex, open up a universe of possibilities, literally and figuratively. They challenge our understanding of reality, pushing the boundaries of what we consider possible. They invite us to question, to explore, to imagine. Because when it comes to alternate realities, the only limit is our imagination. So, we've taken a brief journey through the intriguing world of alternate realities. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points that we've discussed as we wrap up this extraordinary exploration. We dove headfirst into the concept of alternate realities, a concept that has tickled the minds of scientists, philosophers, and curious thinkers alike. These are hypothetical universes or realities, just like ours, but they follow different timelines, different rules, different outcomes. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The idea that there could be countless versions of reality, each one as real as our own. We discuss some of the leading theories that support the existence of alternate realities. The many worlds interpretation, for instance, suggests that for every decision we make, there's a universe where we made a different choice. Imagine that, an infinite number of universes branching out from every single decision point. Then there's string theory, which proposes that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse. These other universes could have different laws of physics, different dimensions, and different forms of matter. We also touched on modal realism, which argues that all possible worlds are as real as our own. That means in some other reality, you could be a rock star, a physicist, or even a time-traveling adventurer. These theories challenge our understanding of reality. They open our minds to the possibility that our universe is not the only reality, that there may be many realities, each unique and extraordinary in its own way. While these theories may seem far-fetched or even mind-boggling, they remind us that the universe is a place of infinite possibilities. So, could an alternate version of you be watching this video in a different reality? That's something to ponder until our next exploration of the extraordinary.